This guy's, we're just chilling when... Damn, look at that. Can't even eat in peace. This is proof that having two wheels doesn't mean you have a single clue what you're doing. Look at this guy, he can't even put his motorbike in the garage. He fell like a baby trying to walk. Look at this dodge! Hopefully her daughter can do this. Wow, she really is a pro, unlike his dad. But nothing is crazier than this guy. Look how he goes to the wrong lane. Actually, he ain't even got a lane, he just fell inside the river. I guess he wanted to take a shower. This is the real hog rider from Clash Royale. Look at that speed. This is completely like Daddy. However, nothing is crazy like this last clip. Here something isn't adding up. Am I the only one that saw that?